Good morning, everybody. Today I have decided to vlog because I'm pretty sure today is my first day of like my self-isolation. Not that I, have been in contact with anyone who has the coronavirus or that I have it, but my work says that I have to be at home. So here I am chilling, and this is what happens every morning. Every single morning, he cuddles. And he loves his life. Look at him. Say hi. He's so cute. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna do all day, but I figured I would have to keep myself busy somehow. You can probably not see because of the sun, but can we talk about this snazzy taking my dog out outfit? We got sweatpants from Muskoka, living it up, and then this like blue shirt that is so old. Hello, sun, it's so bright here. Hey, buddy. Don't touch that. No. No. My goodness. Oh my gosh. Hello, hair. I'm a hot mess this morning. Like, whew. And I'm going to be honest with you. Usually, when I'm home all day, I will lay in my bed, like, all day, or lay on the couch and watch Netflix or something on TV. But today, I don't want to do that because I want to be productive. Oh, my cat's going crazy. I want to be productive. I wanted to clean our apartment or get some done. Like, I want to clean the kitchen and the living room because that's like the main areas that we stay in. Right, so I'm just unloading the dishwasher, and then I'm going to clean this disaster of a kitchen. It usually doesn't look like this, but like as you can see, there's like crumbs everywhere, and this is empty. Onyx, what are you doing? Hi.